What a beautiful pukala!
Yes, and the feast is ready.
Come, let us eat together.
This is the best day! Look at all the butterflies! Race you to the tree!
The rain makes everything so fresh.
This is Sasa!
Ah, this tea warms the soul.
And the fritters are perfect.
Best spot on a rainy day.